We just moved. Yep, so moved from, we are right around the corner out here in Lee Summit. It's Overland Park. And yeah, been needing a lot of furniture. We've been living for quite a long time without furniture. You know, we got a few couches and stuff, but I think for me, a big thing was like, I wanted my home to be comfortable to where it was like, it felt like a home. Like this house now that I have, like this is the house. So I want to make it like, when I come home from a long day of work, I can come in, it's peaceful, I don't have to worry about all the distractions. Like we can just be here with each other, enjoy our time.
I would say the same thing, just I like to be cozy at home. Like when I'm at home, I want to wear sweatpants, fuzzy socks. I just want to be cozy, even in the summer. So I'm all about comfort and just your home feeling like your home. I think another big thing for you is not being from here and just being your work, kind of separating that, and when you come home, it actually feels like your home and not, this is where I am temporarily for work.
Yeah, like I was saying before, how like we were online. Like I even looked up like here and I was like, I wonder what's gonna be in store and what's not. So like I can get ideas and stuff. And we were just talking about like, oh, like if we see something like a chair, we like, oh, we can just go online and buy it. And I was like, damn, like I'm the type of person, I can't online shop. So being able to like come and like actually feel it, like see how it looks, see the detail was huge.
I think it definitely helped coming here because I have all these things and I'm like, oh, this would look really good. And he doesn't quite see the vision. So coming here and being able to play around with the fabrics, seeing the different textures and all that was, I think, very helpful.
Yeah.
And they're amazing at their jobs. So they made it really easy to kind of show them a picture and like, this is my vision. And then they just picked all the things and made it come to life. I was like, I like that chair, but look, how can we make it like this? And I'm really excited. We mainly focused on the basement, but we did do a table upstairs, so I'm excited to see how that looks. But the basement, I'm super excited because we did do the browns and stuff. So seeing the pop of color and how it ties in, I'm really excited.
Like we built the basement. So like we bought the house with no basement, and so we designed it. We put all the rooms in. We like all the little details we did. So like finally be able to see it with furniture and like make it look more like a livable place to be. I think that would be like a really good feeling. That would be like my stamp of like, okay,
yeah,
this is my
finishing
home.
touches.
So yeah, I just want to give a big thanks to everybody around here, Michelle, Melissa, the Furniture Mall for teaming up with us today and allowing us to complete the vision of our home. And it's been amazing. You know, a lot of great people, a lot of beautiful things in here, and I'm definitely going to recommend a lot of people to y'all because you were the best, and I'm just excited that you gave us an opportunity to come live out what we've been dreaming of doing. So thanks again, and oh yeah.